Okay, now I'm going to show you how to quickly create locks for your digital breakout. So here I have a breakout example, just a simple form. I'm going to add a question, and this will be my first lock. Let's say that the lock response that I want to get from them is a 5-letter word. Then it has already recognized that it's going to be a short answer. I definitely want it to be required so they can't skip the lock. And I'm going to include a description and a response validation. In the description, I'm going to let them know that they need to have all caps in their answer. Otherwise, it will be wrong and they'll have to try again. I'm going to change it to text because it's 5 letters and contains. And then I'm going to type the answer here. And this is the message that they'll receive until they get the answer correct. So whenever they're typing something in, if it's not capital horse, then they will have to they'll get some other response from me here. So I'm going to write try again. And I might even include a hint. Look behind the gate. Maybe there will be a picture of a farm with a gate and horses in the field as part of their clue. All right, so now I'm going to add another lock. And this time it could be numbers. It's still short answer. I still want to make it required. It knows that it's numbers here, but I want it to be equal to, so exactly a specific number. So let's say it's even a date, 1976, and here's my error message, and then my hint could be year. And I can include a description if I want, just as more of a hint there, what they're looking for. So this is just an example of 2 locks that you can create. Of course, you would want to add maybe a picture or a video for them to watch by clicking one of these 2, or even you could import the description here. You can break it up by sections here. So maybe the first part is a review of types of shapes and geometry. Or maybe you're doing social studies unit and they need to know some historical facts, and then they get those pieces together, and then they take the first letter of each historical fact that they've discovered or historical name that they've discovered, and it spells horse. However you want to make this as interactive as possible, you can do that. These are just 2 examples of some locks that you can use to make breakout.